Today, I want to talk to you guys about a 10x cryptocurrency that I believe could be a very easy pick for this bull market. One that I've been tracking for quite a while. I personally do not own any of this token at this point, but I am considering looking at this a little bit more and maybe getting into some of it myself, given what I'm looking at on the charts. And today we're going to talk about Jasmy. Jasmy coin is getting a beautiful pump right now. There were rumors of a partnership with Apple, which we're going to say are or are not true, right? Whether these are true or not, we're going to get into that in this video, talk about how the rumor came up. We're also going to talk about, can Jasmy go to $1 in this video? And a little bit more about it and just kind of understanding what it is. So you're going to want to stick around to the end on this one as I give you some of the predictions on this coin. So welcome back, guys, to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Talking about a new project that I really haven't talked that much about before, but let's get into it, guys. Excuse me. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about Jasmy coin. So today, right now, this coin's already at a $1.74 billion market cap, first of all. Second of all, it is up 113% on the month. This coin also has a lot of major exchange listings, Binance and Coinbase, the two giants in the room, Bybit, Kraken, KuCoin, a lot of major exchanges, which means it's very easy for people to acquire. So that's something that you like to see going into a bull market. In a bull market we are going into, right? The fear and greed index is right now at 60. You see right now in the overall market of the last 7 days, Jasmy is the second biggest gainer after Notcoin, which I'm not going to focus on in this video. But Jasmy coin is up 63% over the last 7 days. And if you look at this chart over the last month, up 109%, currently at 3.5 cents. So can this go to $1? Well, let's look at the Jasmy chart a little more in depth. Now, I've had this wedge drawn out for quite a while on Jasmy. And what I have drawn here is this yellow line. And if you look at my other videos, I've actually had these trend lines drawn out. I really haven't done a Jasmy video yet, but I wanted to share this with you guys because my friend Oscar Ramos is certainly a big Jasmy bull. He's making some good money on it, and I've watched it pump. I've been tracking the price action, and you know what? I'm realizing, guys, that this is one that people are excited for. And I've known it. We've talked about it a lot. I get a lot of questions. But if you look at this wedge for Jasmy coin, we've been tracking this, and when we broke out of this wedge the other day back on, May, 26th or so, I told you guys, don't be surprised if a retest. I wouldn't be surprised to see if we get a bounce off this, and that's exactly what we're getting right now. So this move does not surprise me for Jasmy. And I'm going to tell you, for this immediate move, I would expect maybe this opening of this wedge, this breakout point, to play out of a whole 135% pump altogether, maybe, for Jasmy from, this point that we broke out over here. And so again, maybe that's about 130% pump. Now, can Jasmy reach $1? Well, let's look at this. And so what you're looking at is the chart for Jasmy on Binance. And the previous high for this token, guys, was at about 37 cents. Now, a reminder, the previous high for this token, just because the token went that high, doesn't mean that that's the same all-time high for the market cap, because tokenomics are important. Is a token inflationary or deflationary? This one is inflationary. How do I know that? Because when you look at the overall market cap of this token, the previous high, again, which was at like 37 cents or so, that was about a, $1.32 billion market cap. And today we're at about a $1.74 billion market cap for Jasmy, which is a lot higher. But wait, it's not at its all-time high, and that is simply because it's inflationary. Now, that isn't the end-all, be-all of any token. How does a token pump? Tokenomics are not the only thing. You need excitement. You need tech behind it. So is that happening right now with Jasmy? Well, let's talk a little bit more about it. But first, 37 cents the previous high. If we get back up to that price level, you're talking about a 10x from here. Again, easy 10x. If it gets to $1, you're looking at basically a 30x. So is this something that's possible for Jasmy? Well, there was a story that came out, and boom, the answer is no. Jasmy does not have a partnership with Apple, but that was rumored, and the token has been pumping. Most of the reason the token's been pumping, in my opinion, is because this wedge was playing out, but then this rumor also came out that helped this pump even more. And Apple just announced that it's integrating into Japan's My Number feature into its iPhones. So people were thinking maybe Jasmy's integrated into this as well. And people are wondering if Jasmy is going to hit $1 in 2024. Well, it's possible, guys. I mean, there's going to be a lot of tokens, and the smaller the market cap, and though $1 billion, $1.7 billion is a lot of money, remember that Shiba Inu went to $80 billion in the last bull market, and that's not even a utility token. Well, it is now because there's developers that came to the space and started to develop on Shiba Inu, which is many people are bullish on as well. But I would go out on a limb and say that Jasmy hitting $1 is much more likely than Shiba Inu hitting $1. In fact, it could certainly happen, but you're going to need to see a couple things. First of all, partnerships. This was not a real partnership. Apple did not partner up with them. But what is Jasmy about? Well, Jasmy, guys, is a official, here's its official page, it's an Internet of Things blockchain play, right? So they've got tech going on, right? Some people are calling this the Korean Bitcoin of a sort. You know, you can see a lot of things that are kind of going on, talking about other platformers who monopolize information. That's what they're trying to do. Monopolize information, or not monopolize information, do a blockchain for information, the Internet of Things, and give you a place to store data and a blockchain for people to build on top of. And there's so many, guys. There's so many. But Jasmy certainly has a lot of momentum. And the key here, guys, is we're going into a broader bull cycle. The month of May just closed 11% up, which is very beautiful to see. Now, June is a new month. The Ethereum ETFs could be around the corner. I think that signals a broader bull market pump that really has just been waiting after this Bitcoin halving. But now you've got Jasmy pumping as Bitcoin is trying to break through its previous high, right? We've talked about this many times, guys. 55 days since back in 2017 when Bitcoin wicked above its previous highs here. In 2013, it took 55 days for the parabolic breakout, 18 days once we wicked above the previous high from 2017 back in 2021, and now 90 days so far since we wicked above the previous high from 2021, and I'm waiting for that parabolic breakout rally. When that happens, I expect the overall market to pump as well, and Jasmy could break its previous high as well. And $1, guys, it really could happen. It really could happen for Jasmy. Can you expect it? Well, you should never expect anything in crypto, guys. What you can do is you can do your own research. You can continue to DCA and HODL into the tokens that you believe in and acknowledge some of the TA. There's some strong TA for this token right now. Now, again, I don't hold any Jasmy at all, not yet, but let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys think that I should hold some Jasmy? Do you guys hold some Jasmy? What are your predictions for the Jasmy token? That is all I have for you guys in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content. And as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here. Well, up there if you want to check them out, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.